Now, this incident in downtown Toronto is incredibly serious. Now, thankfully, no one was injured, but police say that a vehicle literally took dead aim at that U.S. consulate, firing likely a handgun and escaping in a car. I want you to listen now to Toronto police as they describe what happened in the early morning hours. Listen.
There, two individuals emerged from the vehicle, discharged at what appears to be a handgun at the front of the building, and then got back into their vehicle and drove southbound. The suspect vehicle was a white Honda CR-V. There were two males, two individuals, that emerged and discharged the firearms.
And it's not just Toronto police investigating. RCMPs say that this is a national security incident. And of course, when they look at any evidence, they may start to investigate this as a terrorism event. Prime Minister Mark Carney said, in fact, that this was a reprehensible act of violence and an attempt at intimidation. At this point, security has been stepped up, not just at that consulate in Toronto, but also at the U.S. Embassy in Ottawa. The U.S. Embassy deferring, obviously, to local and national authorities as they await the investigation, the results of that investigation. But obviously unsettling. The suspects still are not in custody. And the country has been on edge for these type of events. And in fact, Prime Minister Mark Carney convened an incident response group just on Friday, understanding that the threat level in Canada was quite high, especially as the conflict with Iran continued.
Amid a constant stream of unsettling news, this little monkey has brought comfort to millions, young and old.
We need this warmth and love right now. You know, when you're scrolling through the feeds, you're just getting negative. When you see something like an animal coming up and just hopefulness and just, they have nothing but care and love to give.
Japan's Punch is the internet's latest star. Videos of him dragging around a stuffed toy, his adopted mom, or getting bullied by bigger monkeys have tugged at heartstrings around the world.
As you can see, Punch has quite the fan base. Hundreds of people are here from all around the world just to see this baby monkey.
Yeah, I think we all could relate to him to some sense, being in an unfamiliar environment, not knowing the people around you, and then just trying to fit in as much as we can.
These days, Punch may have found a friend. His keeper says he's relying on the toy less, mostly holding on to it when he sleeps, relaxes, or after getting scolded by older monkeys.
He's been doing his best to grow, learning from those early experiences. Now he's communicating with other monkeys, and it's great to see him reaching those milestones.
Punch still spends a lot of time alone and isn't fully part of the group yet. But when things get tough, Punch still has someone to cling to.